welcome back to my channel. So it is currently a Saturday afternoon and we have some fun fall things planned for this weekend. Tonight we're going to be going to a haunted restaurant that's about 40 minutes from us. So it's actually themed Halloween all year round, but it's supposed to be like legitimately haunted. So it's going to be cool and exciting. And we're also going to a winery tomorrow with our friends. Right now I'm currently going to Nordstrom. I have a couple pieces to pick up because I'm filming a fall fashion video. I think I'm gonna film it tomorrow morning. I also might be going to Nordstrom Rack, which is like right around the corner, and also Trader Joe's because I want to try like the fall inspired mac and cheese. I think it's called like the butternut squash mac and cheese. And I want to try the cauliflower gnocchi that everybody's been raving about. But I'm just grabbing some gas right now and then I'm gonna be off to Nordstrom. How cute is this little snakeskin mini bag? So we just got to Smalley's Inn. There's gonna be a wait.
So, a little wait, nothing big, nothing crazy.
Yeah, hopefully a little wait. It's really cool in there though. This is the birthday boy.
How you doing?
Justin's the big 24. He's getting so
Yeah,
old.
AARP is knocking on my door right now. I'm so old.
But it's really cool in here. We're like sitting, like waiting in the lounge right now for our table to be ready, and then
we got a girlfriend over here.
We're gonna get spooked. It's so weird. I think this is a bar at night though.
Oh, totally is.
Hey guys, so don't mind me. I'm just doing my makeup. I know I look like crazy right now because I just have like eyeshadow on. So today we were supposed to go to the wine vineyard with some friends and it is currently raining all day outside. So we can't do that and we're really upset about it. We're still gonna see them and grab some dinner. So that should be fun. So my sister just did my hair. Look how cute from the back. Can you see? The little hair accessory that I'm wearing is going to be shared in my fall fashion video. So stay tuned. Trying oysters for the first time.
I think I've had this before.
You put a lot of sauce on that. Alright, go. What's the reaction?
I like it.
What does it taste like?
I like it.
Does it taste like a snail? Do you think she would like it? I don't know if she would like it.
I don't know. It's similar to shrimp.
There you go. Okay. Oh my god, wait, what do? Do you tilt your head back? Just suck it, Jay. I'm so nervous. Alright. Wait. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. You can spit it out if you don't want to eat it.
Okay.
You don't like it? It's okay if you don't. In there. No.
Don't throw up on me, please.
I need a take a sip of your wine. It was alright. Alright, is this supposed to be like a crunch in there? No? It could have been a little bit of the shell. I mean, it was good. The texture was not like up to par. Oh, okay. It was a little too squishy. Squishy? It was like slimy, you know?
All right, your turn.
Oh, look, you did it so fast.
Tripling. And then Oliver's burger.
No, he got in your
You already ate which one I like.
Oh my gosh.
Welcome back. So today we're at the Renaissance Fair. Frankie's so excited to get a turkey leg. It's a fair that's themed like medieval and olden time. What else is it themed? I don't know.
Like
we've
the
never.
Renaissance.
Yeah. We've never been, so we're excited to go. It's about 45 minutes to an hour from us, so we just arrived. And it's one of the last weekends that it's going on, so it might be a little packed. We waited like an hour to get into the parking lot, so it's gonna be fun. Is it good? It is. Let me taste
It's
it.
actually good. It's really good.
Lips. Gina, look at you gotta. No. Try it. I actually like it.
When you're in bed, they lay you down, put that cage, and put hot coals and the rats in the king, and they eat that way through your stomach to get out.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. A prisoner.
Fairy shop.
We have to go into like the fairy quarter. It's in the woods, she
Fairy
said.
shop. This is it. Yes, I'm going. Come on.
You a fairy? You a fairy godmother?
Yes, like my, oh my God, I want to wear that.
We're trying to find the fairy forest, the enchanted forest.
I'm trying to find a donut.
Well, we found the donut. We did. We got a cappuccino. It tastes a little burnt.
Pretty good.
Look how little.
I even admit it's my mom.
Come on, get in with me. Come on.
Joe wants to go get a pedicure kilt. That one right there.
Are y'all registered, Joe?
I want to find the tea
Or
shop.
illegal? Illegal.
Frankie.
Half of them are registered.
What is this?
It is so good. Sour cream. Sour cream.
Yeah.
I love pro.
We've been eating this whole time.
And?
Now we got steak on a stick. It's probably so hot. Bite it. Is it good?
Tastes like horse.
Shut up.
Babe, you gotta put your feet up. Because you gotta get the full effect. Duh.
How are they? Good?
They're pretty good.
cute. They were selling these little single roses with a little water at the bottom. We got wings. Oh my god, they look so good. Wait, where are the onion rings?
Right here.
That's a small. That's a small.
Looks like.
That's huge. I'm starting the vlog a little bit later in the day because it's a Friday night, so me and Frankie worked all day. But we're really excited because first of all, we're going to Cheesecake Factory right now, but we're going to the Pumpkin Blaze tonight. We're both excited to eat right now. We're walking into Cheesecake. So we're done with Cheesecake. We both feel so
Fat.
big and bloated and fatigued.
Yeah.
You like my word? We feel fatigued. For some reason, we're both so tired now. Well, I didn't sleep that much last night. I got like about 3 hours, so that could explain it. But we're headed to the Blaze now. We have to be there at like 9:15. What time is it now? Okay, well, we might just go straight there. Yeah, can we get Starbucks so we wake up?
I want ice cream.
Okay, well, you get ice cream, I'll get Starbucks.
No deal.
Why? For some reason, when I get tired, all of a sudden, I get like really stuffed up in my nose. And I don't know why. We're at the Blaze. We got coffee.
Did you get your necklace of lights?
No, I do not want that. Oh, maybe I do.
Are we vlogging?
Yep, we're vlogging. Carmela,
We're
come
vlogging.
get in.
We're vlogging.
Oh my god, it's cold. Wait. Is it good? Waffle on a stick? Oh, good. Frankie, it's on and Elsa. Look, they're building Olaf out of pumpkins.